Coconut boat tours take place in the coconut groves and often include a basket boat ride, traditional performances, and local food. Enjoy a thrilling spinning performance by the boatman. The rides typically starts as early as 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. and run until 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. Basket boat tour at Hui'an, you will be able to see the coconut forest on the river. A coconut boat ride typically lasts about 50 to 60 minutes. These boats were originally designed for fishing in shallow waters, and their circular shape allowed fishermen to move around easily. Basket boat was first introduced in Vietnam during the French colonial period as a way to avoid excessive boat ownership taxes.